I think this is all a ploy. I don't think you actually know how to cook. You just want other people to cook for you. So you're like, put on a cooking show. I'll put it on YouTube. It's gonna be like the good old days. And really, it's just like, I'm gonna get that asshole to make me fucking dinner. It's working perfectly.
Oh, God. What I do for a free meal.
If I knew we were gonna take pictures of me, it would have looked prettier. Jesus Christ, I have to drive in the sun? I don't know where I am.
I can't see either.
Oh shit. I don't know. I can't. Okay, I've taken the wrong turn because I couldn't see. So we're going on an adventure.
Yeah! Whoa.
In 600 feet, turn right on Melbourne Road.
Yeah, I live right on 30. Yeah, I've told Virginia, my fiance, I told her all about you.
Aw.
You basically took me under your wing in high school and made sure no one beat me up and helped me get a leg up on popularity and shit. That kind of thing. Yeah, fucking middle of January. Fucking AC. Declassified military software and a proprietary database shit. So I found out yesterday my mom is divorcing her sixth husband. A meatball recipe that I stole from a gaming group that I used to play with back when I didn't work nights. So the meatballs are whatever you want them to be. You know, I get a little bit of mushrooms, a little bit of meat, obviously a lot of meat, onions, we put whatever you want in there. But it's the sauce that actually makes this thing awesome. It's gonna be half grape jelly, half chili sauce, and then cayenne pepper to taste. And that shit's gonna pop.
That shit's gonna pop. Oh, shit.
Down Oakland Hills Drive. Then turn left on Woodstone Drive.
Oh, did I tell you that Daryl died? Died of cancer.
Damn. Whoa, Jesus.
About 3 years ago. I got a hold of his widow about a year after she died. And I was like, hey, any chance, any idea where my car collection's at? Pound of meatballs. You think it's gonna handle both of us? The secret ingredient is the grape jelly, but I have been told by the person who gave me the recipe that it has to be the cheapest, most off-brand jelly you can find. About the cheap ingredients and the preservatives they put into it that make it good. I just need a single small onion. Let me find the cheapest grape jelly.
Albertson brand.
Now where the fuck is this chili sauce?
Chili sauce?
Okay, did you see? Right
What
now,
are you doing?
well now I bought a really large onion. We can't use the whole onion for a pound of meat. You'd be eating onion with meat instead of meat with onion. Oh, this guy, he'll come in the middle of the night and go, hey, want to shoot some? Oh, speaking of shooting things, I should show you my gun. I've grown a resistance to cutting onions because I actually really enjoy cutting onions.
Yeah, well, I enjoy cutting cheese.
Here's my secret.
One and done?
One and done.
All right, you heard it from the source himself. It's a secret ingredient. One and done.
The one thing that people don't realize with cooking, especially people who are new with cooking, is that you've already seen me wash my hands, so it's fine. But you really just have to get in it. It's the only way to make good food is just to get into it. I need you to put the one and done, pour it on here. Like you've got an extra hand, we might as well use it.
That's what what she said.
Just pour it on there. We're gonna preheat the oven to, I think, 450 degrees.
Make sure you check for things inside the oven before you preheat it.
No, don't ever do that. So why didn't you check what was in the thing?
Because you said no. I can spray the pan.
Depending on the size of your hands, you want to get a good pinchful. You want to roll it so your whole palm is in there. If meatballs are not sticking together at this size, then you need to either add an egg or you need to add more breadcrumbs. The more stuff you put in a meatball, the harder it is to keep it together. So these are pretty big meatballs. I'm worried about their girth and size. Here's the fun part. The recipe calls for exactly the same amount of grape, jelly, and chili sauce. Smell that. This is chili sauce. It smells really good.
Oh, that smells almost like cocktail,
Yeah, a little
but
bit.
better.
Mm-hmm.
Like, I mean, don't get me wrong, I like cocktail sauce, but that smells really good.
I prefer Heinz, but it's the same. Chili sauce is basically the same. That's 1 cup. Fuck yeah. I was looking for a spatula.
Oh, yeah? You using my advice?
Well, I'd be a fool not to use the advice if you're gonna actually record it for history. Like, oh,
For real,
that-
the whole world has the opportunity to
1,000
watch
years
this.
ago, 1,000 years from now, when they find YouTube servers and they run it, they're gonna find some random half Mexican guy fighting with some other half black guy. Well, I'm not gonna be the idiot.
They find out there's butterfly effect from you rinsing down.
Bro.
Yeah.
Okay, so you can actually go ahead and put that in there now.
That's what she said.
It's not coming out. It's too big. That's what she said.
It's like,
But 1.5 cups and then whatever.
this is definitely going to be,
It's a weird one. You gotta trust me.
yeah, original. Yeah. Oh, trust.
So what you gotta do is mix these two together. Okay, so cayenne pepper. I usually like to put pepper flakes,
Okay.
but cayenne pepper. Oop, that's too much. Let's see how that goes. I used the wrong side. I'll taste it and I'll see if I can sweeten it up a little later. But damn, that was probably a little too much. Yeah, I didn't lose my virginity, I didn't drink, and I didn't smoke until I was 20 years old. Despite what my mother told every one of my friends.
What did your mother tell all your friends?
My mother told everyone that I was a gay drug dealer.
What the?
Oh, bro. That's funny.
Oh no, you're dripping.
He did it again. That never happens, I promise.
Do you have the fan on in there?
Fan? No, I don't. Fan.
It's probably because you dripped.
Okay, so my preferred brand of tequila is El Jimador. Yeah, that's a good shot. Yeah, good job.
Thank you.
Favorite brand preferred brand is El Jimador.
All right, guys. Shout out to the folks out at
It is
El Jimador.
It's the exact same price as Jose Cuervo, but it goes down way smoother. You know what El Jimador is?
El
Do you know what this word means?
I harvest the pineapples for your tequila, man.
Almost.
Yeah.
Yeah, the Jimador is the name of the person who gathers the agave fruit.
Oh, okay. Yes,
The-
the cactus.
Yeah, and the thing is, it's a very honorable position to have because it's a trade taught down to generation to generation.
Yeah, don't they have to be like a certain number of years, over like 80 years old before you can even harvest them?
Yeah, like they're really yeah. And what's crazy is that the agave plant is one of the few plants that can't be industrialized because each plant is so unique that it has to be cut out a specific way, depending. So you have to have a knowledge of the plant to know what parts to cut and what parts to pull. So you can't just have a machine pull it out like corn and stuff.
That's pretty cool.
So that's why most tequila is kind of expensive because there's a lot of manual labor that goes into it.
That's pretty cool. I just learned something today, guys.
Kind of a double shot. I know you can handle it.
Fuck, man. Do it.
Right, man. Cheers.
Oh, what is that? It's a good times, man. Glad you're still my fucking homeboy.
Word up.
Word up, dog. G, homie.
I can't drown this unless I know you're drowning because you're gonna say something stupid and then tequila's gonna come out of my nose and it's gonna fucking burn.
Cheers, man.
Oh! God damn.
Blimey.
Get it.
So these are Martin's
Sweet heat meatballs.
Sweet Heat Meatballs by Upon a Cooking Show, Cooking with Mike.